This video is going to show you a quick way to customize your dashboard and get rid of those classes that maybe you do not need anymore. So I am in as a 6th grade student. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure you're on your dashboard. So you can see over here on the left, I am on my dashboard. Then you're going to click on dashboard. Oh, I'm sorry. You're going to click on courses. So when you click on courses right here, it's going to show you all your courses, and then you want to click all courses. This is going to give you a list of all the courses you are currently in. So here's everything that this student has. So for instance, you're no longer going to use science and social studies. So what we're going to do is we're going to favorite courses we have. So you want to favorite, which means I click and I put the yellow star in for civics, math, not science and not social studies, but this person has technology as an elective, writing, reading, they must have PE for an elective, and then your East Noble Middle School resources. So now what you're going to see when you go back to your dashboard is I no longer have science or social studies on here. So the next thing you can do is you can customize. So let's say this person has technology first period. I can grab this tile and I can move technology to first. Then let's say I have civics second period, math third, writing fourth, and let's say I have PE fifth. You can customize your tiles so that they go first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So that you then have all of the courses that you need and that they are all on your dashboard. Now, if you have a weird overlay, okay, so if it kind of looks like this, you can click these 3 dots at the top and you can turn off the overlay, and then you can rearrange these however you want. Let's say there's a course that you have that isn't on here. You're going to go back to courses. You're going to select all courses and then find that course that you have that maybe you don't have a tile for that you need it, and you're going to put a star by it.